Welcome to this eukaryotic cell model where we will show cell organelles and explain their function. We'll start off with the nucleus. It controls gene expression and mediates the replication of DNA during the cell cycle. Nucleolus. It is the site where the ribosomes are made. Nuclear membrane. It regulates traffic in and out of the nucleus through the pores. It also protects the nucleus. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum, also known as the SER. It chemically modifies small molecules like drugs and pesticides in order to make targeted molecules fuller so they are easily moved by water. The SER is also the synthesis site for lipids and steroids. The rough endoplasmic reticulum. It receives synthesized proteins and transfers them enclosed within vesicles to other locations in the cell. Ribosomes. They are responsible for protein synthesis. They are found on the RER or fully in the cytoplasm. Golgi apparatus. It receives proteins from the RER and concentrates, packages, and stores them before sending them to their cellular destinations. Mitochondria. It converts chemical energy into ATP by cellular respiration. Centrioles. They are responsible for nuclear division. Lysosomes. They contain digestive enzymes which make them the breakdown site for large molecules. Peroxisomes. They accumulate and break down toxic peroxides. Cytoplasm. It fills the inside of the cell and holds organelles in place. Cytoskeleton. It supports the cell and maintains its shape while holding cell organelles in their position. It also helps move the organisms within the cell. Plasma membrane. It separates the cell from its outside environment and regulates traffic in and out of the cell. And lastly, cilia. It moves the cell through its aqueous environment. From going over these organelles, we can see that they are equally important to the cell's function. They all carry out specific functions the cell cannot survive without. We hope to have made your organelle learning process a little easier.